April showers bring May flowers. And while Google might not have reinvented the wheel this month, they've definitely brought a fresh bloom to your workspace. We've rounded up the latest updates that make your work life even more enjoyable and productive. I'm Lisa from Cybert Media, and I'm here to show you how to work smarter. Let's dive in. Create AppSheets automations with Google Forms in open beta. AppSheets makes it easy to automate manual workflows. In addition to the helpful link to Google Drive and Sheets, it is now also possible to integrate Google Forms into AppSheet. Many of us use data from forms, for example for ticketing or incident reports. Until now, however, this information could only be displayed via email, spreadsheets, or in the Forms app itself. But now it's getting really exciting. With the new update, you can use Google Forms submissions as event triggers for AppSheet automations. This means you can, for example, send automatic notifications and requests to Gmail or Google Chat when a form is filled out. Or you can even run your own app script function. Ultra-low latency for the first 25,000 live streaming viewers. Attention Google Meet users! From now on, the first 25,000 viewers can enjoy your live streams with ultra-low latency. That means no more annoying delays, crystal clear images, and smooth camera transitions to the most important speakers and content. For all other viewers, the standard live streaming experience will continue as usual. This upgrade applies to all Google Workspace editions that support up to 100,000 viewers and for live streams within your organization, whether on the web or on your smartphone. Seamless device switching during a Google Meet call. You're in an important Google Meet on your smartphone, but want to edit or share documents during the meeting? No problem. With a new feature, you can easily switch between devices. Start the call on your smartphone and then, when you're ready, simply tap Switch Here to move the call to your laptop. You'll stay connected and never miss any important information ever again. Improved alerts for Google Meet hardware. From now on, you will never miss the renewal of your licenses again. The alerts for expiring and expired subscriptions have been improved. You'll now receive timely alerts directly on your device and in the admin console, ensuring you're always informed and can take action promptly. If the notifications on your device become disruptive, your administrator can easily disable them in the admin console, giving you full control and allowing you to focus on your meetings. Convert data into dropdown chips in Google Sheets. With this new function, you can save a lot of time when organizing data. Let's say you have a column with different project statuses such as in progress, paused, or completed. Instead of tediously converting these values individually into drop-down menus, you can now simply click on the new Convert to Drop-down Chips indicator and all the data is converted into practical drop-down chips. It's that easy. Record slides in Microsoft Edge. From now on, you can record yourself presenting not only in Google Chrome, but also in Microsoft Edge. Yes, you heard right, Microsoft Edge. Now you have the flexibility to record and share your presentations as videos in either browser, making it even easier to share your ideas and collaborate with others. Updated shortcuts and first letter navigation on Google Drive Web. Good news for everyone who has always wished for faster navigation in Google Drive. You can now use first letter navigation. This means you can simply enter the first letters of the file name and jump directly to the desired file. If you press the same letter again, you will be taken to the next file that starts with that letter. You'll find what you're looking for in no time at all. This new function not only makes navigation in Google Drive faster and easier, but also more accessible. File preview in Google Drive. This cool new feature will make your life easier in Google Drive. Preview files without having to open them. Simply move your cursor over a file icon in Google Drive and a handy thumbnail of the file will appear. You can also see the file type owner and who last edited the file at a glance. This saves you a lot of time and clicks. Calendar API now recognizes events from Gmail. Your calendar is now even smarter. Calendar API now recognizes events from Gmail. Your calendar is now even smarter and recognizes whether an event was created directly from Gmail. Yes, that's right, the function that allows you to create a calendar entry from an email with just one click. What does that mean for you? Such events are no longer displayed as standard events, but are given the fancy label from Gmail. In addition, the recipient of the email is entered as the organizer of the event, no longer this mysterious email address removed address. But that's not all. For the tech geeks among you, there are new filters called From Gmail for Events List and Events Watch. This makes it even easier for you to manage these special events. When you open your calendar, these events may look a little different than normal events. But don't worry, that's intentional. You will even see a link to the original email if you want to check what it was about again. But be careful. If you have created an event via an email, you can no longer edit it completely in Google Calendar. Simple setup of two-step verification. Two-step verification is now even easier and more secure. From now on, you can add your second steps before activating two-step verification. This is especially handy if you use Google Authenticator or similar one-time password apps. Previously, you had to activate the 2SV with a phone number before you could add the authenticator. This is no longer necessary. If you have a security key, there are now two ways to add it. You can either register it as FIDO1 credential or create a passkey and follow the instructions to use it on another device. This registers the key as a FIDO2 credential, and you'll need to use the key's PIN for local verification. Please note that if the admin policy allows users to skip password at login by using passkeys is disabled, you'll still need to enter your password along with your passkey. And one more thing. If you deactivate 2SV in your account settings, your registered second steps, such as backup codes, Google Authenticator, or the second phone number, will no longer be removed automatically. Previously, all second factors were removed when you deactivated 2SV. But don't worry, if an administrator deactivates 2SV for you via the admin console, the second factors will still be removed, so that the processes for deactivating user accounts are not affected. Gemini is now available in new languages and regions. Your personal AI assistant on gemini.google.com now speaks even more languages and is available in more regions. Previously, if you had the Gemini Enterprise or Business add-on, you could only chat with Gemini in English. But starting today, you can converse in over 35 additional languages, including German, French, Turkish, and many, many more. In addition, Gemini is now available for enterprise and business users in France and French territories, as well as Hong Kong. Tip of the month: Push to talk in Google Meet. Today I'm going to show you a Google Meet shortcut that will make your meetings more relaxed. Push to talk. You're in a meeting with lots of people talking over each other, and every time you're trying to say something, you have to frantically search for the unmute button. Or maybe your dog is barking in the background and you don't want anyone to hear it. With push to talk, you're only heard when you really want to be. Simply hold down the spacebar while speaking and release it when you're done. No more unnecessary background noises and frantic searches for the unmute button. Here's how it works. Open Google Meet and go to Settings. Click on the Audio tab and enable the Push to Talk option. By default, the spacebar is set as the Push to Talk button, but you can choose a different key if you prefer. Give it a try and enjoy stress-free meetings.